So, a friend told me this story the other day, and I can't stop thinking about it. He said everything in his relationship looked normal. No big fights, no drama, nothing obvious. They lived together, had dinner together, watched shows in the evening like everyone else. From the outside, completely fine. But then one day, his girlfriend asked him a really simple question. All right, let's start by slicing some potatoes. Just cut them into thin slices. She said, "Do you even notice the things I do for you?" And he laughed at first. Not in a bad way, just didn't really get it. He said, "Of course I do. What do you mean?" All right, let's pour a little oil here. And she didn't argue. She didn't raise her voice. She just looked at him and said, "No, you don't." Now, let's crack a couple of eggs into a bowl. Anyway, while he was telling me this, I was standing in my kitchen, trying to figure out what to make for dinner. Nothing special. Just something quick. Next, let's slice a bell pepper. He told me that after that conversation, he started noticing small things. Like, she always made sure there was food ready. Even when she was tired, she remembered what he liked. How he liked it. And he realized he never really said anything about it. Not thank you. Not even this is good. Just ate and moved on. All right, we've sliced the potatoes, cracked a couple of eggs, sliced the bell pepper. Now, let's slice the ham for the filling. He said the weirdest part was he didn't think he was doing anything wrong. In his head, everything was fine. He was there. He worked. He came home. But to her, it felt like she was invisible. And that's the part that stuck with me. The potatoes are almost done. Let's chop some green onions. He told me that night. They didn't even argue. They just sat there in silence for a while. And he said that silence felt worse than any fight. Because it felt real. So the next day, he did something different. Nothing big. He just said, "Hey, this is really good. That's it. Let's add the filling to the eggs." And he said, she looked at him like it actually mattered. Like it was the first time he really saw her. Got distracted for a moment, almost forgot the salt and spices. He said it didn't fix everything. It wasn't some movie moment, but something shifted. Just from noticing, just from saying something small. The potatoes are done. Let's take them out. Look at that beautiful golden crust. Want me to share a little secret for crispy, tasty fried potatoes? Make sure to add the salt to the oil before putting the potatoes in. Now, let's add the potatoes to the eggs. And I don't know. Standing there, making this simple thing for dinner. I kind of thought about how easy it is to miss things like that. You get used to stuff. You stop paying attention. Almost done. Let's leave it like this until the eggs are set. Be sure to cover it with a lid. While we grate the cheese. You can use any cheese in this recipe, your absolute favorite. What kind of cheese do you prefer? I like it low fat. Let's add our favorite cheese. Let's cover it for a couple more minutes. All right, this is done. Crispy outside, soft inside. Nothing fancy. Just real food. I guess the point is, sometimes it's not about doing more. It's just about noticing what's already there. Anyway, this turned out better than I expected.